Please.
Shut up. Alright, now we're actually live now. Actually live.
Okay, I will not speak.
Alright, so
Promise.
shut
Saan
up.
ko makukuha si Grudon?
In your face.
Saan?
I don't know.
Oh!
Oh my goodness. Pooper.
It's ugly.
And we're going on creative and because this will just be some random world.
And Belly is ugly. Joke lang. Hello, I'm Bella Ilahedo.
Oh, you're a girl?
Wow.
I never knew you were.
Okay.
Oh, I spawned in an island.
What kind of shitty island is this?
Wow, what kind of view? Ooh. Ooh. I maxed it out actually. And I'm all on water. What kind of... Actually, I'm so happy that there's less there's less stress on the video, the graphics.
Paano ano?
It used to have lag before. Oh, there we go, an island.
And I'm my school.
Ah! No, you don't
And
tell the
I'm
internet where
grade
you're from
one.
and where you study.
I've been doing
Alright.
Send it
No.
first.
No, shut up. You have to buy it. Buy it.
Okay, then.
Oh my goodness! Stop freaking
When
being
it's
an annoying
the
girl.
12.
Hey, you could watch Mass Effect 4 gameplay now.
Tagal.
You just have to wait there for a very long time in 32 times speed or maybe the max.
Do it because it's
Oh my-
adventure time and it's just
Mga ilang minutes?
I don't know.
I just renew it.
Why is this all water?
That's what Infinite Worlds
9
do.
years old.
After the
Yay,
mainland,
it's
there's like
recording.
water surrounding it, like infinite.
I know.
Make
But I
it
spawned in a
old.
one small island.
Well, that's
Old first. Make it old.
Oh my
No.
gosh.
Make it.
My microphone is running at 44. Ooh, now I spawned in an interesting place.
Wow.
Shut up! Oh,
Wow.
please stop being.
Wow.
Please stop being annoying as.
What's that?
can you test
My goodness!
test the map?
Just wait.
Stop making me shout like a stupid girl.
Let me just see it first. What's the green cow?
Hold on, please stop
The
shouting.
green cow.
Stop.
The green cow.
No, I'm serious. I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm serious.
I'm serious.
I'm just gonna test out if there's gonna be if
The brown.
Oh my goodness! Will you just run later? I am gonna cry.
But ang tagal
Okay.
as well.
Shut up.
I don't.
Me? Shut up? No.
I am gonna cry. I seriously am gonna cry if you stop ranting. I mean, if you don't stop ranting. Alright. Let's see if... No, it doesn't work! Nope, the explosion didn't work. There we go. Let's see if it works now. Oh, it doesn't work that much.
Ang tagal? Like how many... Ba't may bag with red egg?
I don't know. Alright, see the eggs. Huwag kayo maingay ah. Please lang, huwag kayo maingay. Oh, look, a villager that does nothing, and cows, spawn, pigs, sheep, wolf. Whoa!
Got to get a bag.
Mushroom! Oh, villager.
Creeper.
Oh, Enderman! Oh my goodness! Please, guys, stop screaming like a gay. Oh, skeleton, silverfish, spider, slime. Slime! Stop screaming, alright? Don't scream. Oh my goodness, slime.
You can make them as pets, you know.
I could kill them now. Die.
I bet. They will just unarm you more.
look, small bits.
See?
And look at the graphics, just so good, they like translucent. And a silverfish. Oh my goodness. Stop, don't attack me, you stupid silverfish.
Why?
Oh my goodness. Stop eating on my face. What an Enderman? What does he look? Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, he teleported. Oh, hello, Mr. Enderman. Oh, I want to spawn a lot of you. Oh no, I attacked him. Mr. Teleport, he can't even fall. He's just like this. Oh, we're not. Look, a mushroom. Yeah, listen to this. Mushroom. A big mushroom. Villagers. Why are they so freaking...
They are children.
Look at them, they're just running around like animals.
That's me.
Oh, what? I don't know what mushrooms are.
Animals. See, they're mushrooms.
What if I- wait,
When you shear
hold on.
them, you can get
What if I kill them? What will happen?
nothing. They will drop. They won't drop mushrooms.
They drop me.
See, they don't drop.
That's why they're called stupid mushrooms. What? Oh, creeper. It exploded with a small Oh, this is an alpha. Oh my goodness, it's a wolf. Stop following me, stupid fish. Oh my goodness, it's hard to aim.
Can you send it to me now?
I told you so. Shut. Shut. Wait, guys, please. I have a bone here. Oh, look, it's looking at me like he wants it.
No. There.
Oh,
More.
he wants more. Come back.
See, they won't come back anymore. You should stay again. You're slack.
Oh, I got him now. But they didn't show the heart.
What a stupid guy.
They didn't show the heart. Do you want it? Do you also want it, puppy? It doesn't want it. Stay away from me. I hate it.
No, hindi.
Oh, he's attacking it. He's attacking it. What? No. Why does he have red eyes?
Because they don't like it anymore.
Oh, attack him. Kill him. I commanded you to attack him. Wow, this guy is so smart. And then we can play multiplayer together and kill each other.
No.
I'm actually recording on 240p. So
Hindi ka mag-cheat ako.
no, don't cheat. Wala, there's no support for block launcher or anything. Like. Oh, I hate that. I hate it when that happens.
See, I told you, don't spawn plants anymore. Get the others.
Please stop jumping like.
Come on!
Stop. Hold on. Alright. Hold on, my goodness. Let me see if he... Oh, he's still a... Wait, does he? Oh, he does.
Come on.
Yes, my goodness.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, we're done recording here.